Got the new push rod tubes. Started taking it apart. Pull the head off to replace the push rod tubes there. So I got that off, got the push rods out, loosening all the bolts here, and hopefully it will slide out, and then I will be able to get these out, put the new ones in, new seals, and it won't leak. I got the head loose, so now I can pull these out. A couple of them were bent, so not sure if that's why I was leaking or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and just replace them all. Got them all out. They were all kind of janky. One of them looked like this one may have had an actual hole in it there. Took off all the seals. They're on the inside here. And then in there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of wipe everything down, clean it up a little bit, and then reverse the process. I got it pretty cleaned up in there, both sides. And then I got my new push rod tube. Comes with all the German seals here. I ordered those. So I'm just gonna take it and stick it in here. Put them on this side first. And then we will line up this when I push it all in, tighten it all up. And then you want the seam, there's a seam on here. You want that going up. I know it's probably hard to see, but there is a seam right here. So you want it facing up. Apparently that'll help, you know, any future leaks, if it leaks out of there. Never done it before, so learning as we go. There's the seam inside there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the seals on, stick them all in, and then line this up and bolt it all back down. Got all of them in. Now I'm going to try to line up the head. Kind of see him in here. Maybe try to line it up. Push him in. Pretty good. Looks pretty good.